Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Vortex and picking the game you're targeting. Once selected, immediately disable the mod so it stops altering files. This prevents live conflicts. Then go to the mods view and use the mod's context menu to choose Remove. This instructs Vortex not to load it. While doing this, keep an eye on the status messages and the game profile. Make sure to also clear any active load order entries so the mod won't reapply on next launch. Once removed from the UI, you continue by purging residual files. Choose Purge or Remove completely so Vortex deletes its installation folder. Then inspect plugins or load order and manually remove any ESP/ESM entries left behind. This prevents lingering references. If Vortex cannot remove files, go to your Vortex mods directory and delete the mods folder yourself, and then refresh Vortex. Make sure to also clear any staged overrides, so the game won't try to load missing assets. To finish, restart Vortex and then launch the game to confirm the mod's gone and no errors appear. If conflicts or missing assets occur, verify the game's files through your platform to restore vanilla files, and then refresh Vortex. Make sure you back up saves before large removals so you can restore if needed. If the game still crashes, delete Vortex's cache, reinstall the mod cleanly, or restore from a backup. These steps usually resolve stubborn leftover artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.